Jotelo mawuok e kaunti za apar kod abich moyangore kaka jopith jamni ogwenyore paro kod jalup jatend piny Gachagua ewi dwache mar chwalo pok mag omenda kaluwore gi kwan jodak e gwenge ma idendo ni one man one shilling. Jotelogo mawuok Ugwe mar Kenya koro chayo dwach Rigathi ka gilero ni biro miyo pok madhi ne counties makuno dok piny kopogore kod kaka giyudo pok sani. Giluwo ni counties magi osedew kata ok osedew e dongruok kendo ni chien ka gisani to chunygi ogedo mane pok madhi ne counties. Jotelo bende koni weche mawuok kuom jalup jatend piny gin weche manyalo pogo oganda kendo ok nyis telo mar piny Kenya mangima.
The 1 shilling 1 vote, which basically refers to a population-based revenue sharing formula, is one which is untenable, it is unfair, is unconstitutional, and is one which will never happen in this country. The era when these regions were neglected and denied resources, including from 1965, when the sessional paper number 10 of 1965, where they say that the resources will only go to where there's returns, as if we were running a business, is no longer there.
We convene today to address the recent statements made by His Excellency the Deputy President, the Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, and others who advocated for the 1 man, 1 vote, 1 shilling. We are also going to advocate for 1 man, 1 vote, 1 kilometer in matters of revenue sharing. We are deeply dismayed by this resurgence of the retrogressive ideology which rests on the unstable grounds of narrow political rhetoric and the misguided fragmentation of our republic. This backward approach, propagated by state leaders who are supposed to be representing the entire republic, warrants an equivocal condemnation, and we do so here today.